Hello designer, in this video we'll be learning how to draft our exaggerated structure cap sleeve. What you need first is your basic sleeve. Make sure to cut it up to your elbow length. Okay, then you locate the midpoint of your sleeve like so, and then you slash it like that. Get a fresh paper and draw a baseline. Once you draw a baseline, place the first part of your sleeve on that baseline, just like you can see me do. Okay, so from the center of that base, from the center of that first part of the sleeve, measure about 8 to 10 or even more depending on how wide you want your sleeve and exaggerated to be. Then you take the second part of your sleeve and place it on this baseline like so. Connect the crown of your sleeve like that with a straight line and locate the midpoint of your sleeve extension. Now then from the base, go up by about 3 to 4 inches depending on how small or big you want the cap sleeve to be, just like that, and connect it to the side of the sleeve on the right and on the left. From that top line that you drew, then go up by about 5 to 6 inches depending on how puffy you want it to be, and then you connect it back to around the crown of the sleeve, a point around the crown of the sleeve. Then flesh out the other part of the sleeve like so. Add your same allowance like so, indicate it. Then you can go ahead and cut out your sleeve the way you see me cut. The down part of that sleeve that you shaded will be cut off just like so. It's no longer part of the sleeve and your sleeve is ready. Okay, so you can transfer to your fabric and make sure to structure your lining with either a boning or an interfacing that is very strong and rigid. And there you have your exaggerated structure cap sleeve sitting pretty. I hope you found this helpful. Kindly follow for more tutorial. Bye.